students, welcome to PIBM's BOP program. In this BOP, we are going to learn Excel together. You know what? All the decisions these days are based on data. This era is a data-driven era. To make any perfect decision, you need a support of a meaningful data. And to handle that meaningful data, the most powerful tool is nothing but Excel. Excel provides you quick summarization and analyzation of your data. Lot of features in Excel like data visualization, multiple functions, better calculation, accuracy, and whatnot. Excel provides you everything. Anything you need for data and its data operations, everything is available in Excel, and that's the reason we are going to learn Excel at PIBM's BOP course. Just remember, Excel gives you better performance. Whichever may be the sector, all over the world, Excel is used. If you learn Excel properly, you perform better. And for that, Excel requires a lot of practice. So let's practice together at BOP in PIBM. I'll see you soon. I'll meet you soon. Let's practice Excel together. Welcome you all once again at PIBM's BOP program.